tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox password reset not sending email problem in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your mobile's home screen, open Gmail and click on these three lines. Then click on spam and check here. If you couldn't find Roblox email here, then again click on these three lines. Then click on promotions and check here. If you couldn't find the email here, then close it and make sure you are connecting to a stable network. Or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile network. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open up any web browser and search for Roblox account recovery. Then from results, open the official website of Roblox for account recovery. Now you have to enter your email address, then click on next. Now you will need to minimize it and from your mobile's home screen, open up Gmail and now here you will find an email from Roblox. Just open it and here is the code. Copy that code and go back to browser and paste that code here. Now you can create new password. Type new password and confirm it. Then click on update password. After this, close it and open Roblox app. And now you can log into your account. So that's how you can fix Roblox password reset not sending email problem in just few easy steps.